wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Every morning, the sunrise, you and me still riding high. But I know those days are long gone. You call me close, saying take it slow.
So we're here in Pungkay Mountain Park. Tapos lang natin sa hinunangan. Hinunangan Beach Resort. So we're here to explore the mountain.
Hindi ka to edit out, ha?
The
Narrate ka lang.
mountain of southern leyte. So this is the first stage, Pungkay.
So many echoes of younger days. Facts and figures can never display the beauty of My thoughts overlap, overlap. Maybe the moment's past. If we could go back, maybe we could have made it last. My thoughts overlap, overlap. Maybe the moment's past. If I ever fall for you again, I said I will let you know just where I am. If I ever fall for you again, I said I will let you know just where I am.
Yan na.
Natutulog. Para may mata nga ako. Tingnan mo. Titigan mo mabuhay.
Diyan ikaw
I
sa
was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay, okay,
Picture mo sila.
okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me.
Kaso February ko pa ma-upload yun.
don't want your story, I just need a name. Details only bore me, we just came to play. Everyone around you is just in the way.